yeah, there won't be any outdoor riding going on today. Alright guys, welcome back to the vlog. Now, as you can see, it is snowing here in northern New York. What a difference a day makes. Yesterday it was literally in the low 60s, sunny, was beautiful. And here we are less than 24 hours later and we're getting our first snowstorm of the year. So obviously I will not be out riding later on today. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to go back to the TrainerRoad Sweet Spot Base Week 2. Yesterday was supposed to be my my first day on week 2, but of course I did I went outdoor riding with Bruce yesterday because it was such a beautiful day. So with today's weather really crappy, I'm gonna go back and do the Sweet Spot. Start with Sweet Spot Base again on TrainerRoad. I think today's ride's calling for like an hour and a half ride. Nothing too super heavy lifting as far as intervals. So, but I've got some errands to run in town. I'm gonna go up later to a local sports bar here in town. Watch my Bills play today. They'll probably lose, but I like watching football on Sundays. And then when I get back home later on this afternoon, it'll be time to get to riding. Alright guys, just wanted to check in with you here on tonight's ride. I'm just over halfway through tonight's indoor trainer ride on TrainerRoad, and this is a tough muscular endurance building workout. I'm on my recovery interval. I'm on my 6-minute recovery interval here, in between two 30-minute endurance intervals. And those two endurance intervals have me running about 30-35 watts below threshold. So pretty tough endurance workout. But a couple things I'm really loving about TrainerRoad is the fact that along with the Wahoo kicker is just an awesome combination. Is the fact that when you lock into your intervals, all you have to concentrate on is just holding down the power and hitting your marks and hitting your numbers. And so far I'm really loving TrainerRoad. This is my my first workout here on week 2, and so far nothing but positive things to say about TrainerRoad. I think this is going to really help me boost my fitness throughout the winter here so I can hit it hard next spring. So alright, I got about 3 minutes before my next 30-minute endurance threshold, or excuse me, endurance interval, about 30-35 watts below threshold.
Alright guys, that is the end of the workout. Pretty much a decent warm-up here on TrainerRoad, and then 2 30-minute pretty tough endurance tempo intervals, about 35 watts below threshold. I tell you what, it's pretty tough, and but an awesome workout. Just got a few minutes left here on my cool down, and another great ride is in the book. So thanks again guys for following along, and I'll see you guys right back here in the next video.